Well, another masterful cliffhanger leaves us dangling. But don't worry, 2013 brings with it plenty of stateside drama to keep you from pining for Carrie and co. Mistress of Manipulation Amanda Clark returns for a brand new series of revenge. See it here first with a double bill Tuesday the 8th of January at 9, while the following week we check in for a check-up with the docs of Seattle Grace. That's in a new series of Grey's Anatomy. And if real-life drama's your thing, join us on Thursday the 10th of January when a new gaggle of grooms succumb to wedding fever as they tackle flowers, fascinators and fussy fiancés. That's in Don't Tell the Bride. And that's a sneak peek at some of our New Year treats coming up here on RTÉ Two. Up next though, it's Katherine Lynch's Big Fat Breakfast Show.
Yay, it's Christmas on the Big Fat Breakfast Show!
With Santa's naughtiest elf, Brian Dowling.
Santa's sexiest choir boy, Lee Ryan from Blue.
And the lady who decides if your house is filthy or nice, Kim Woodburn.
Happy Christmas!
Their perfect Christmas.
It's Christmas. What are you doing?
We're going to Fiji.
Yeah.
Just the two of us.
Don't your families get upset?
Not if you tell them you're doing charity work.
Becomes their worst nightmare.
Did you just commit us to going over there at
What
noon?
did you want me to say? They just saw us on the news. My dad, your mom, my mom, your dad. Merry Christmas, Dad. Great.
These are my brothers. They're semi-professional cage fighters.
What?
Brad, I'm not trying to be your father. I'm just hoping for a chance to be your friend. You were my friend. You were my best friend. Now you're sleeping with my mom, and it's a little bit weird for me.
Reese Witherspoon and Vince Vaughn star in 4 Christmases, St. Stephen's Day at 10 on RTÉ One.
Ulster face Leinster in Rabo Direct Pro 12 Live this Friday.
Andrew Trimble, he's over the line. This is going to be a try for Ulster out of absolutely nothing.
Can Ulster maintain their dominant form in this competition against a rejuvenated Leinster team?
McFadden's away. Fergus McFadden.
Rabo Direct Pro 12 Live. Ulster v Leinster. Friday at 7 on RTÉ Two.
So I see it now, glitter and snow, a little red nose, golden pear, silver air, little snow globe, little train there. Christmas is closer, Christmas is closer, Christmas is closer.
There's something for everyone this Christmas at Dunnes Stores.
A cracking Christmas on 2 with some comedy.
I want it to be really, really long. Foot. Ta-da! Foot.
Entertainment.
My favourite jazz artist is Soweto Kinch. Every time I see him, I'm like, hi, you still got a girlfriend?
You guys ready to make more dreams come true? Celebrity.
The women, the dancing and the baby outfit, it was lots of fun.
We were just like, was that it? We're married, you know? So.
And movies.
Come see.
Hi, Mac.
Mark! He's wired in. How about now? You still wired in?
I'm not a bad guy. You're just trying so hard to be.
What are you doing? I love Kung Fu!
Make it a cool, cool Christmas with RTÉ Two.
What's up? Oh my God! OMG! Jedward's Dream Factory's back open for business. You guys ready to make more dreams come true? We've been working overtime to make hundreds of dreams come true, and we've been making them bigger, louder, higher, cuter, cooler, and crazier than ever before. You're going to London!
Oh my God! I had a really good day and it was amazing.
Brand new OMG Jedward's Dream Factory starts Christmas Day at 11:30 on TRTÉ, with a second chance to see it at 5:35 on RTÉ Two.
Having lost his job and his home, a young man from Sligo takes an unorthodox approach to beating the recession in Stripped, part of TV50, coming up at 10:35 here on 2. Now though, it's Katherine Lynch's Big Fat Breakfast Show.
Show. I'm Carl singing Bernie Walsh.
Yay! You are. And I'm Santa's naughtiest elf, Mr. Brian Darling.